What do I have to say about the radiation? Because that's what grown-ass citizens do. They look into the food they're eating, where it came from, and they make a conscious decision about what they're going to eat. Okay? December 31st to January 1st, something like 14,000 new laws went into place. There shall be 3 days of darkness. Yeah, it's probably going to be them turning off the power, so they can get martial law in effect. How can you be politically correct about somebody being an illegal immigrant? This whole immigration thing is kind of a slap in the face to me, to Black people. Everything that my people had to go through to become citizens, like die. Yeah, well, he didn't have the right to be walking around in the dark, drinking iced tea, the knife. Yeah, the word is illegal. I'm sorry. Oh well, deal with it. Because that's the country we live in. As an African American, most assuredly, if I do something illegal, they will be taking me away. I'm just talking like a grown-ass citizen, and I'm just telling you, that's the reality of life. Lord help us. That's all I can say. Text messages. If you want to tell me you love me, don't send it in a text. All of your medical data is then loaded up to the federal government. So you'll be assisting the NSA in giving a complete profile of what's wrong with you. Because they're certainly not looking for what's right with you, because as we know, in this country, anything you say can and will be used against you, much like slaves on a plantation. If the government is telling me to do it, I know I don't want to do it because it's not for my good, because nothing they come up with is for our good. Yeah, I got a problem with the HIPAA. I'm not even going to get into the chip part. I don't want my health records to be available to the federal government, just like I don't want my phone messages and all that. This is all about big business. The time you're confronted with a deductible, you're going to say, I can wait. They said, well, we can give you that surgery, but you're going to have to give us about $1,500 up front. And I guarantee you, if you're broke enough to be going on the Obamacare plan, you're going to be too broke to bust out $1,500 and get the surgery or the care that you actually need. A huge financial Ponzi scheme, and there's going to be a whole lot of people make a whole lot of money off everybody signing up for Obamacare. And why else would they be rushing you to hurry up and do it? So they can wow you. Keep that stock market going. Money isn't real. You disagree with me? Great. Because you're supposed to think for yourself. So I don't expect everybody to agree. I'm just putting all this out here, something to think about. I don't want nothing that the government offers. I don't want any of these synthetic drugs they come up with. I don't want any of that. Just think for yourself and live free. Coming to the end of the road, the end of